Bradley, get the scale. Walking over here now.
And pliers. She's a bit of a long one.
Skinny.
But you love to see it. First catch of the day. Hopefully more come. We've only been here about 10 minutes. Maybe.
Is it a good hook?
Oh yeah, that may not be coming.
Nice lake. And we'll be back later with the catch and cook at our all-natural lake. Weighing the first fish. What's the number count?
Just over a pound. Skinny little guy, but.
Okay, let's release him. Cast netting over here.
All right, ready for a release? He'll be slow to get back, but there he goes. First catch of the day.
Here on the sewer green, there's like huge bass, bunch of bluegie. I just caught one of these. Austin's gonna throw and try and catch some more. He just came off, so I'm probably gonna go release him.
Bluegill. Move lakes because we got yelled at.
Yeah, we got reprimanded. Get off my property. I don't want you to get hurt.
Hey, buddy. Dude, I could see like him, and I was like, okay, we got this.
Yeah, little baby.
Second bass on pole, third bass in all today. Little tiny boy. Worm. Hey, we need pliers. Worm. Yeah. So right now we have a fish on. Untie it.
Go! Is it on?
Yeah. We have a bass on.
Well, it's something.
Oh, if it's a brim,
cat.
I hope it's a brim, so we can use catfish bait.
Or
is it just stuck?
dude, something slammed it.
Yeah.
Yo!
Let's go.
Oh.
Let's go.
Dude.
But me and Austin goes, oh, the bobber's moving.
Yeah,
it's been there
that
for
thing
an hour.
went that bass went like, bam.
I know. Dude, that bobber's been sitting there for 30 minutes and we come back and it's just sitting underwater. Yo, it chugged it. Oh my gosh, it chugged it. Nice. Yeah, this is the one we're gonna eat.
I completely forgot about it. And then I looked over
Bruh.
and this thing slammed down.
It
Oh my-
destroyed it.
I really think he's dying.
How long do you think it was on there?
Like half an hour.
It was probably down for a while.
So I just chilling.
And then it jumped.
Okay, well now we know the meta.
All right.
Literally leave the bobber out for 2 hours.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. While we wait for Ava to get the lighter. Pretty tiny. I don't know if we'll keep this one since we already have a lot, but. So we just got the lighter, about to start up the catch and cook. We got 3 decent sized ones in there. And then we got the portable pot. See you guys in a minute. We already have so many, we don't really need any.
Yeah, that's really good. There he goes. The pole
What is
rude.
that? It's a massive bluegill. Looks like a tilapia. But yeah, and the bobber was under, and the pole is like so bad right now we can't reel. So I just grabbed the line and started hand lining it. I caught this massive. Okay, update. We are bass are on strings out there, and we are setting up the cook.
All right, so that's probably good. We're gonna start cooking. Don't let the pan fall over.
And some oil.
First, we're gonna put some oil so it doesn't stick to the pan. Not too much. Then, swirl it around a little bit. Get it all over the pan. Put it back on the heat. Next, we are going to put the fillet on. And we're gonna pepper it. Get a little bit of Old Bay.
Okay, so we just got our last fillet on.
Yep. Trying to fish right now.
Trying the fish.
It's actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, so we'll all try that in a minute. Okay, we got our last bass. I'm I don't know if anyone wants to eat it, but the other ones are pretty good. This one was. Oh!
Oh!